Hello, in this video we're gonna check if VIVO IQOO 5 Pro has a stereo speaker. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this phone. And the first one is on the bottom right here. There's a speaker. Let's check all the sides. And the back of the phone as well. Now the second speaker is located on the top of the phone right here, and that's the phone call speaker. Now to determine if it's a mono or stereo speakers, we'll need to cover each of the speaker and see if the sound is coming from two sources. If the sound is coming from two sources, that means it's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that is the mono speaker. So now let's test this. Sorry, let's try that again. So I can already confirm that this phone has a stereo speaker, because when I covered this one, it came from that one. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.